Hey everybody, Joe from JO Builds here today. I'm always looking for ways to organize the garage and make things better here. And I was looking at different slat walls that came with hooks and baskets and whatnot to help do that. When the other day I was walking through Home Depot and I found this, the Ryobi came out with one. And so I picked up the set. First set came, it comes with two of the slat walls, comes with some hooks and a basket. So I got those two up already. And I'm looking at doing this whole wall, so when I was in the store, I looked at, you can get additional slats, and they're like 40 bucks each. So I looked online, and you can actually buy sets online. So if you're gonna get more than two, go online. I bought a whole set here. It was basically you buy like 2 or 3 of them, you get a discount on that, and then you get one free. So there's that. So we're gonna put those up today. What I did find with this is that when you buy the set over here, it comes with the screws and the anchors. Which is how I got that up. But these additional sets don't come with anything except for 2 pieces of plastic here. So I got a set of anchors. These I found no problem. The other problem was that the screws are all black, and the only way I got these were on Amazon. Most of the hardware stores didn't carry anything like that. So you gotta order those, you gotta be prepared for that. But let's finish putting them up. There it is, the wall's all up, not too bad. And they come, like I said, little hooks and bins, and they just slide right in where you want it, push it down, holds. So now I gotta figure out where I want all this stuff and what else I need, pick up more. So see how it works out, and I'll let you guys know. But so far, I feel like it's pretty good quality for the price, and seems like it's gonna work out well. So check it out.